Hello everybody, in this video I want to showcase my new AI, which I have taught to aim. It's more like 2D pathfinding with obstacle avoidance, but when I started this project I wanted it to aim, and that was kind of what I was aiming for when I was building this project, so it's pretty much that. I've been working on this project for the past couple of weeks, and I've been working on it ever since my last video release. The implementation of the AI into the game actually only took about like 3 days, but the rest was just bug fixing, stuff like counters not counting, and stuff like that. There was also a lot of bugs that I don't know what caused them, but they did eventually get solved somehow. I don't know. Um, there was this one very odd bug. Before I start testing my AI, I always try to make a perfect one to make sure it works. And so if I were to plug in a perfect AI that I made, it should technically never get worse than that. It should only continue growing. But according to my simulations, that was not true, so something was wrong. I spent a long time stuck on this problem before I changed the way the simulation works, and then it started to work. When I first started this project, there was no obstacles in it because I thought it would take a lot longer for it to train, but without an obstacle, there was a 50-50 chance it would work off launch because one number just needed to be positive and another needed to be negative, and boom, there you go. It works. So that's why I had to add the obstacle. The current inputs that I provide to the AI are the X and Y position of the target, the X and Y positions of the AI, the X and Y coordinates of the obstacle, the distance to the obstacle X, and the distance to the obstacle Y. I chose these inputs because they seem to yield the best results. I also make it so the target and the obstacles are stationary, since movement around it requires both vertical and horizontal movement. So I think if I have it stationary, since it's using both its horizontal and vertical, I should be able to move the target and the obstacle anywhere, and it should work. Each generation takes 20 seconds to complete, and there are 30 agents training at a time. I tweaked these values a lot, and this is what I saw works best. Since the AI is very straightforward, it doesn't take very long to train and can produce nearly perfect results in just a couple of hours. Here, you can see on the screen currently the AI that I created, the perfect AI that I was talking about earlier. And here you can see the AI after a couple hours of training. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I'm genuinely thrilled and proud of my creation, no matter how simple it may be. Looking ahead, I have plans on starting a devlog on a game, but unfortunately, a couple of days ago, my computer decided to stop working, and it will be a few weeks until the new parts arrive, so that's kind of sad. Once again, thank you for clicking on the video. If you'd like to stay updated on my future creations and look at what my devlog is going to be about and just follow it, please hit that subscribe. It means a lot to me. And if you have any ideas or any questions, drop them in the comments. I would love to read them. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.